Hi, my name is Anna. I am an Osteo Health virtual assistant. Let's discuss how Osteo Health can help you with your pain in TMJ disorder. Relieving the discomfort of TMJ disorder with gentle techniques is one of our specialties and something we love doing. We work on the TMJ or the facial muscles, neck, shoulders, or upper back as required, using non-invasive and effective treatments to relieve your pain and restore your best self. We use a whole range of techniques and methods according to your individual needs. Let's take a walk through them. We'll start with osteopathic adjustments. This is a series of hands-on techniques, such as stretching and applying gentle pressure and resistance to bring relief. Then there's craniosacral therapy. This gentle technique relieves compression in the bones of the head, spine, and sacrum, which is the triangular-shaped bone right at the base of the spine. We also use myofascial release, this gentle manipulation or massage of the tissue surrounding your bones and muscles to release tension. Laser therapy uses low-level lasers to reduce inflammation and the buildup of fluid, also known as edema, and stimulate tissue repair. There's also ultrasound therapy, where sound waves penetrate tissue to reduce pain and trigger healing. Learn more about what we offer by checking out our article on the website or reaching out to us at Osteo Health. To book an appointment, please visit our online booking site. Stay healthy with Osteo Health.